What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 22 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're checking out this luxury Class C that has full body paint, no bunks, but sleeps 5 comfortably. This is the Entegra Esteem 29V. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Entegra Esteem 29V. Before we tour this RV, let's go ahead and take a look at the specs. So this RV has a gross vehicle weight rating of 14,500 pounds, a total exterior length of 32 feet 6 inches, a total width of 100 inches, and a total exterior height, including the AC and satellite, the total height is 11 feet 8 inches. Alright, so this RV sits on the F450, and then starting up front, you've got the Entegra logo on the front cap, and you also have a really large skylight type window up on the front that you'll see when we head inside, and it's what makes this one of my favorite Class Cs. You've got frameless windows on this RV, and then the 2 slide outs have slide toppers, and then let's take a look at some of the storage space down here. So you've got these little cubbies, like storage cubbies along the whole side of this RV, and then up front you have a generator, and then you've got your black tank, your fuel tank, and then check out this large storage compartment on the back here. And then heading to the back of this RV, you've got a window on the back which lets in a lot of light into the bedroom, and then you have a simple ladder to get up on the roof. Heading over to the campsite of this RV, you've got a large awning, and then you've got frameless windows, and then you also have this right here, which is a outdoor TV. You also have an outdoor speaker, but I'm ready to head inside of this RV and check it out. So at the front door, you have electric steps that fold out. Now let's check out the inside of this Entegra Esteem 29V. So when you first walk in, up front in the F450 cab, you've got really nice leather seats, you've got Apple CarPlay, and then all of your controls, basically what an F450 has, but these seats are really nice. And then up above is this huge bed with a amazing window that I absolutely love, and then you have a TV, and then over to the theater seating, you have cabinet space up above, and then you have a good size dinette in this RV, and huge windows up above both the couch and the dinette. This dinette drops down into a bed. And then head into the back of this RV, you've got this sort of mid-bath where you have your shower on one side and your toilet and sink on the other. You have this pretty good size counter space, smaller size sink, but you do have a lot of cabinet space both on the top and on the bottom. You've got a large window, and then you've got your toilet paper holder, and then beneath the sink you have a lot of cabinet space, and this RV has got a water filter for the sink, which is a really nice feature. And then heading into the back bedroom, you've got a queen size bed, and then you have lots of cabinet space up above. So really nice to see all of the cabinet space in this RV, especially across from the bed. You've got a window in the back, and then check out this huge dresser. You've got this amount of cabinet space on each side, and then you've got a TV in the middle, as well as these really large pull-out drawers, 2 smaller ones up on the top, and 2 really deep and tall drawers on the bottom. Then you've got another cabinet over here. You've got your ladder for the front bed, and then check out the shower. So this right here is a pretty good sized shower that sits across from the other bathroom, but this right here is a magnet on the door. And basically, you just open the door, it magnets to the wall, and that right there is kind of how you close off the space. And then you have this kind of pull across partition for the bedroom to the bathroom. I'm not sure if I like the separation here, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But this right here is the view of the door shut from the inside the living room and kitchen of this RV. But yeah, it's just a simple magnet that closes that keeps the door closed shut. Heading into the kitchen, you've got a tall cabinet on one side of the fridge, and this fridge is actually a pretty good size. You got your fridge on the bottom and then the freezer on the top. And then this RV has a residential microwave, And then up above the microwave is a pretty good sized cabinet. You'll see that there is a lot of cabinet space in this little kitchen. You got an oven, and then you also have a 3-burner cooktop. And then you have 3 pull-out drawers on each side of the sink. This right here is one side of them. And then in the middle, you have this large cabinet that the shelves are kind of worked around the plumbing, which is nice to see that they're really maximizing the amount of space for storage. And then you have a double basin sink. And then you also have a really nice sprayer faucet. And above the sink is a really good size window, and I love windows in the kitchen. And then you've got more cabinet space up above of the counter space for the kitchen. This right here is a pretty good sized kitchen. And then I forgot to show you the other pull-out drawers. And then up here is some controls for the RV. And then above the entry door is a little cabinet. But that right there is going to do it for the inside of this Entegra Esteem 29V. Let me know what you guys think about this RV in the comments down below, and what do you guys think about that mid-bathroom? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this RV tour, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.